You're coming to market in Hong Kong at a time when it seems like investors are souring on Chinese technology companies. We've seen Baidu's IPO in Hong Kong slumping. Are you concerned about investor reaction?
其实我们回归香港上市是我们挺早以前。
We planned for listing back in Hong Kong a while ago. Our plans won't be changed due to short-term market fluctuations. We don't care too much about short-term performance in the stock market. We also encountered market fluctuations when we listed on the NASDAQ 3 years ago. We even fell on our first day trading. But I told my colleagues not to worry about short-term stock performance. Nobody will remember whether your stock went up or down on the debut in 10 years' time.
What is your priority in terms of spending the money that you've raised with this secondary IPO?
对，因为我认为 B 站它是一个内容生态驱动的一个。
Bilibili's business model is driven by its content ecosystem, so we will spend massive funding on content building. For example, services for content creators, recommendation algorithm, big data, and content infrastructure like bandwidth, server, etc. We will also spend money on IP management and content generation.
IP 的运营和内容的自制上。
There's a lot of scrutiny on the industry now from regulators. How do you see that playing out and affecting the sector, particularly online video?
其实如果你在
If you watch videos on our platform, you will find there are thousands of types of videos of Bilibili, and it is a very dynamic and diverse content platform. This shows that in China, creators have enough freedom to produce the content they want. I would still describe the development environment facing Bilibili in China as benign. Of course, we must comply with relevant regulations. We have also put in massive labors in content compliance and security.
The competition that you face in this sector, it's very competitive, obviously, Douyin, Kuaishou. How are you going to allocate resources to ensure that you can fend off the competition?
我认为视频化会是未来几年。
I think videoization will be a major trend of internet industry for the next 3 to 5 years.
我认为所有的互联网用户都会成为视频的用户。这个意味着
I believe all internet users will become video users. That means the market will be in ultra-high-speed growth for the next several years. It will be an incremental market. So the popular video platforms like us will all have great opportunities. We don't have to have head-on competition. Instead, there will be plenty of users, and we all can expand our own market.
Is your priority at this stage still building out the business and growth over profitability? And if that is the priority at this stage, how long will that continue, do you think?
我们会更重视增长。只不过我认为
We will focus more on growth. I believe both growth and profitability are just means. As a video platform, we will only gain competitiveness when we have better content that users like.
这是一个巨大的增量市场。
It is a giant incremental market. So for the next several years, we will definitely focus on user growth and market expansion.
和拓展这个市场方面。